Alright everyone, I'm going to show you a video of my black with red interior 365 horse factory air car underneath and up in the fender wells before I put the tires and wheels back on it. This was our final detail on this car. We just did a complete nut and bolt body off restoration over the last year. Everything is either replaced or restored. I have to put the spare tire carrier in it yet, but I want to show you guys up underneath here before I did that. You can see, I mean, this car is way over restored. Under wells. Driver's side rear. You won't be able to see this. I'll put the spare tire carrier in and show you then again, but spare tire carrier is restored, ready to go back in it. Passenger side rear fender. I don't get any nicer than this. All natural bare fiberglass floorboards like they should be. This will be the driver's side front fender. Battery access door because it's a factory air car. Inner fender. Passenger side. Smoking straight body on this car, no hit. I have pictures of the whole restoration. I'll add. And I'll also post pictures of all the casting numbers and dates and everything that I can get to. If you guys want to see anything else, just let me know. Thank you.